What is up, y'all? I'm Benjamin Outdoors, and this is my channel.
Welcome back, y'all. So today we're working on the S1000 again, and I really apologize for how many videos it's taking me to complete this thing. I just don't want to have 30, 40-minute long videos where people don't want to sit down and watch the whole thing. So that's why I'm kind of splitting it up into different segments. You know, obviously, the last one was the gas tank. Today is going to be the CEROKOT job on the gas cap because it's really scraped up and it doesn't look savable. But we'll see. I mean, I'm going to sand it down all the way past all the scrapes, and then I'm going to tear it down, and then I'm going to CEROKOT it after sandblasting it, and hopefully it'll look really good. My CEROKOT is kind of old though, so it's like 2 years old, so I don't know how the coat will be because the catalyst looks a little bad. But anyway, let's get into it. So I'm about to sandblast this gas cap so I can CEROKOT it for the BMW. So the gas cap, I rinsed it off after sandblasting it, and I'm drying it. I'm making sure there's no more moisture in it, so when I spray the CEROKOT, it will not come off. So after that, I'm going to spray it. Okay, so I got some CEROKOT here. So I'm going to do an 18:1 ratio for this Elite Series coating. And this has been out of the oven for a few minutes now. So I'm going to, I think it's cool to the, no, it's still pretty warm. So I'm going to mix it up in this jar. I'm probably going to do like 25 milliliters, which I should do like, I think it's just over, or just under 1.5 milliliters of the hardener, the catalyst. So I'm going to mix it up and I'm going to pour it through the strainer into my spray gun. I have the spray gun around 25 to 30 psi, and then I'm going to throw it in. I believe it was at 300 degrees for like an hour after I spray it all, and we should be good. Go stick this in the oven real quick. I'm going to set a timer for an hour. All right, there's So before I assemble the entire gas cap, I'm gonna spray degreaser inside so it cleans this thing really well, so when I put it together, it's gonna work good for many years. So I reviewed the footage on my laptop. So the springs go here, in this spot. These two raised pieces push on each of these springs in here. So that's what resets the lip. Nice. This is a very springy. Oh man, it's super nice. It really locks up. I'm gonna put this pin in here. Kind of just free floats. I'm going to kind of go like this. Or can hang in there like that. Then I'm going to put this piece down, which is going to in turn lock it. Heck yeah, there she is. Looks a whole lot better than the way it did. Now I will say the Cerakote job wasn't perfect, but my Cerakote is actually really old. It's like 2 years old. So I think the catalyst was kind of, you know, getting bad. But it looks like it's still coated at least decent. And I have minimal imperfections. So it's a whole lot better than the massive scrape that was across the other one. Now I'm going to install the gas cap. I'm going to open it up, make sure the gasket is on. So that is actually it. The Cerakote job actually turned out pretty good considering the age of the Cerakote. And I mean, obviously the condition of the gas cap in the first place, because it was pretty mangled, pretty scraped up. So I'm pretty happy with it. I think it should look pretty good on the bike. In the next video, we're probably gonna tackle chain and sprockets or the steering head bearing, because I'm gonna replace that instead of just trying to tighten it up, because this bike has like 60,000 miles. So it probably needs to be replaced, considering that's one of the most important things on the front end. Because obviously if you don't have front forks or those get sloppy at high speeds, you're done. So anyway, till next video, catch you on the flip side.